Okay, let me do a cabin tour of our cabin here on the Holland America Noordam. So this is an inside cabin. As you can see, it's got a queen bed. It's very nice. This breaks up into two twin beds if we want. I'm going to come over here and turn around and show you that here we've got our TV, our little mirror, a desk with all kinds of junk on it. Here's a nice little table that we've got for breakfast and room service and all of that. And then if I come this way, I've got lots of closet space. You can see there's 3 closets here, which is really nice. We've got a great bathroom. And check this out. Here on my door are the emergency instructions, but right here, I think you can see it, is the Holland America logo. And what we're seeing here is the old logo, so that's kind of neat to see that they've still got the old logo around. Anyway, this is a beautiful ship. And I'm going to take you and show you some of the sights around the ship. So we'll do that probably on sea day, but this is the interior room on board our ship, the Holland America Noordam.